Hey friends, if you wish to fix invalid data access trap error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the main cause behind this error is third-party antivirus software programs, and deleting a third-party antivirus program will solve the problem in 90% of the cases. So, right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab, select Installed Apps. Now find a third-party antivirus program which could be difficult. So click on the three dots associated with it, uninstall and uninstall it. If this doesn't work, then update all drivers on your system, each and every driver. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. Select Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and then install any optional update which is available on the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.